August 20th, 1966. The bodies of two men were spotted on Vinton Hill in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The bodies were that of Miguel Jose Viana and Manuel Pereira de Cruz, both electronics technicians who lived just northeast of Rio de Janeiro. Due to their location on the hill, it wasn't until the following day that the men's bodies could be reached. What had appeared to be a homicide at a distance became far more puzzling close up. The men's bodies lay side by side in the grass, facing the sky. There was no sign of a struggle, no blood, no trauma to either men's bodies, nothing to indicate that either had died by violent means. Next to the bodies was an empty bottle, 2 wet towels, and a notebook. While none of the items at the scene seemed particularly peculiar, it was the appearance of the dead men that made the event all the more disturbing. Both were dressed in suits, waterproof coats, and both were wearing lead masks over their eyes. When the notebook laying next to the men was opened, a set of instructions inside, written in Portuguese, was found. When translated, they read something to the effect of 4:30 p.m. Be at location. 6:30 p.m. Ingest capsules. Wait for mask signal. The bottle found next to the bodies had contained water and was purchased by Miguel at a bar 3 days before the bodies were discovered. A worker from the bar said she remembered seeing Miguel behaving nervously and checking his watch repeatedly. Due to several delays in the autopsy, their internal organs had already begun to decompose, and no testing to determine the cause of death could be performed. What were in the capsules the men ingested? Why did they protect themselves using masks typically worn to shield from radiation? Who or what were they waiting for on the hill that afternoon?